Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem at hand. There seems to be a bit of a quirk with the table function from the summarytools package that's causing some confusion. When using the native pipe or the magrittr pipe with table, an error about object not found is popping up. It's interesting to note that while frequency and desker work smoothly with both pipes, table is giving us some trouble. Now, onto the solution. The key here is to understand how the pipe operators work with table. Since table doesn't have an argument that accepts a data frame directly, we need to use with. By making use of mutate to convert our columns to factors and then piping it into with table cell gear, we can get table to play nice with a native pipe or magrittr pipe. In summary, we've tackled the quirky behavior of table when using the native pipe or magrittr pipe by harnessing the power of with. By incorporating mutate to handle column transformations and then feeding it into with table cell gear, we've successfully resolved the issue at hand. Keep coding like a pro, and until next time, happy coding. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below to let us know your thoughts.